Welcome, here I've got DOOGEE S96 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. Let's start by tapping to the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button we get access to more options about the camera we can manage with brand watermark button. So just one tap to turn it on or turn it off as we need. Now let me keep it turned on and let's take a photo. Now let's move to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is our picture with brand watermark in the left corner at the bottom. So let's get closer to it. And this is how it looks like. And of course when we don't need it, we have to go back to the camera, then to the right corner settings and tap again to brand watermark to turn it off. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.